Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making toasted ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches in our Instant Pot. And we're going to be using the air fryer function to do it. So let's get started. To get started building our sandwiches, we just need 2 slices of bread. And you might need a lid off of a mayonnaise jar or peanut butter jar. And what you're going to do is you're going to center it on there and you're going to push down on it. Make like a little pocket for the egg to sit in. Just like that. And that ought to take care of that. And you'll be able to put the egg in there and it won't run all over the place. Now we just butter the bread. You can put it on the back there. And both sides of this if you want. Just like that. Butter them up. You can put a little bit on here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to crack our egg right in there. Just like that. And we're going to be putting it in the pot. We got to build our top to the sandwich first. Just add cheese. And you can also add a slice of ham. You can add a little salt. And a little pepper. I like pepper. And we're going to add them to the pot. Start air frying. Well, we're going to remove our pressure pot lid. We don't need that. We need the air fryer lid. Right? You want to spritz the bottom of your air fryer basket a little bit. Keep things from sticking. Now we're going to be putting our egg in on top using the little trivet that goes with your air fryer basket. It should slide right in there and rest up near the top there where all the heat is and get done while the bottom gets done just a little bit slower. And that should work out good. Now you want to set your air fryer basket with the egg, ham, and cheese right in there. Just like that. And then we'll put the lid on. And now we'll have to set it. Now all we got to do is set our Instant Pot to air fry. And we're going to set it for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. We can always add more time on the clock if the egg's too soft. But now all we got to do is hit start. And there we go. It'll be done in 8 minutes. I'll bring you back. Well, it looks like we have maybe 15 seconds, 13 seconds, 12 seconds left on the clock. And we'll take a peek at it together. Hopefully the egg isn't too overcooked. Because I left it go the whole 8 minutes. And there it is. That's the end. Okay, let's get it out of the pot here. And we'll see how that looks. Sounds crunchy. So now let's get the bottom one out of the pot. And we'll see how that looks. Not bad. Not too bad. Let's see. The bottom did pretty good. Oh, crunchy. And let's see how it is. That looks pretty good. Does look good. I wonder how it tastes though. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it's pretty good though. Nice and crunchy. Ham's done and toasted both sides. So it's pretty good. I like it. Can't beat that. That's pretty good. There you have it, folks. Ham, egg, and cheese toasted in an Instant Pot. Beautiful. Beautifully crunchy. Let's see how it is. Yep. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Take a look. How soft that is. Beautiful inside. Alright. Well, there you go. Ham, egg, and cheese sandwich in the Instant Pot air fryer. Gotta have a taste. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Well friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.